Hey guys, tip of the day, if you're working on a Mariner Mercury 8 horsepower, 2-stroke, long shaft outboard, and you've replaced the impeller, you took the lower leg off, you put a brand new impeller in there, and it still will not pee, or it's just dribbling out barely. Here's a quick fix for you. What I didn't realize about these motors is, this is your water line here. If you take off these two bolts right here and you undo this, guess what's underneath here? A thermostat. That's old and crusty. Just take it out. You don't need it. Your engine will just run a little bit colder, but that's fine. Then it'll pee great for you.